Hello, and this is my second video on getting my replacement HoTech Laser Collimator. This is just to show that the laser is yet again not factory collimated, and it's actually worse than the last one I've had. So apologies for the portrait video. I had no other way of mounting this phone inside the tube. But I thought I would show the actual motion of the collimator being turned. So I have it in the 2-inch barrel, and it's just lightly tightened enough so that I can smoothly turn the entire collimator with my fingers. So you may see a small black dot slightly to the left of the secondary mirror. That is the central dot for the primary mirror. So I've already collimated this scope using my trusty Batter Mark III, so I know the collimation's correct. So with this collimator in at the position the instruction manual tells you to do so, that is it in place. Because of the glare, it looks that it's quite close to the black dot, but it's actually visually about 1.5 centimeters away from it. So if I slowly just turn, you will see that it will draw quite a large circle around the dot, and there is a moment where it will almost match collimation to what I have. Now that is roughly about it there. So if I can take this, you can see that from the focuser's position, that is not installed correctly. So the collimator should be pointing towards the base of the tube where the primary mirror is. But if I put it there, and granted this isn't going to be fully accurate because I haven't tightened it, but it's good enough for the purposes I'm trying to demonstrate. So, and if we zoom in and get some focus, I'm not sure if I'm going to get it to show the dot for me again. Probably not. But visually, it's about 1 centimeter above my dot. Let's try this. See if we can. No. So the laser is just overpowering the black dot, but it's quite a bit above it. And if we go back to our primary mirror grid, we can see that it wants the primary mirror to be adjusted. And if I do that, then the view to the eye looking through the eyepiece tube, the primary mirror looks like a crescent moon slice has been removed. So I may attempt to collimate this myself, but for such a world-class product, I'm disappointed. This thing should be perfect out of the box. This kind of sloppy factory collimation is what I would expect from a £20–30 eBay purchase. But such as it is, that's just the way it is at the moment, and well, as the saying goes, the proof is in the pudding. Okay, bye for now.